हेलो दोस्तों, गुड
But that
मॉर्निंग।
is what
कैसे हैं?
Pakistan needed.
एशिया कप 2025 का
Finishing with a
दूसरा
flourish.
मैच भारत और पाकिस्तान के
Goes
बीच
into the pace floor. That is in the air. Is this a
खेला जा रहा है
chance?
दुबई में।
Oh,
यहाँ पर
almost
देख
brilliant
सकते हैं ये
effort.
मैच होना नहीं चाहिए था।
Tilak Verma running
ये भी
full
मैच
tilt,
हुआ है।
almost pulled it off.
रूल्स के
With
हिसाब
two
से
runs.
मैच हो रहा है।
Walks across. Q ends it. He will
अभी
come
देख
back
सकते
for the
हैं
second.
पाकिस्तान ने
Another Farhan 40 or 44.
127 रन का लक्ष्य रखा है भारत के
Comes in
सामने।
over. Their opener
आप लोग
Shubman
देख
Gill,
सकते हैं
who came
अभी भारत की बल्लेबाजी
but kind
Start
of expected to be better. He has to have a stellar night
smashed 4 sixes, got
in some scorching hot form. 55 runs, 190 runs, 31 average.
सुमन गिल और
And away.
बैटिंग के लिए आए, ओपनिंग के लिए।
fireworks all around. And Robbie, you called it. Dances down the track, and away they go, India for the 4.
He means business, this kid. Loves to take the onus on himself.
What a strike! What a swing and a miss. Shaheen Shah Afridi goes across the right-hander. Better length as well,
आप लोग देख सकते हैं।
He has still
pretty much throughout. Smashed down the ground. And Gill picks up 4.
quick with his feet here. Shubman Gill knew the trajectory was going to be low.
Front pad and the stumps in play. Of that is
दोस्तों,
sublime. That
मैच
is
कैसा लगा हो
glorious to
वीडियो में
watch from
वीडियो
Gill.
लाइक करें, शेयर करें,
Sublime indeed.
जितना से ज्यादा हो सके शेयर करें।
Anticipated what Saim Ayub was going to bowl, but
Out, close out.
मैच पूरा देखें,
Oh, he's got him!
पूरा हाईलाइट है, लास्ट तक देखें।
Did Gill's leg drag out? Let's have a look upstairs.
बहुत अच्छे से हरा दिया है।
Slashes
इंडिया ने
and slashes
पाकिस्तान को।
hard, and that flies away to the boundary as
बार-बार
well.
नहीं,
Yeah, I've never
अगेन
understood
फिर
this.
हराया है,
When you have an
कई बार
express
हरा
fast
चुका है,
bowler,
फिर हराया है।
when you have shot third man and a deep backward point,
कैसे हार गया?
anything outside the off stump that's slashed is going to go over shot third man.
Oh, that's picked up. It's got the vertical miles and the horizontal ones. Lands in the stands for another 6.
Bye ball. And that's the problem of bowling full all the time. Become predictable, especially when you're up against.
Up and over, inside out,
उड़ा के मारा
and
है।
has the legs to go into the fence.
And this is what
Short and wide and slashed away. Not the best. Has chipped in the air. Fielder's going to
Abhishek Sharma
settle.
abhi out ho
And
gaya.
fielder takes it. Excellent
36
length from
run
Saim
bana
Ayub. He has 2.
Saim Ayub staying calm under pressure.
Swept away. See, he can sweep, he can reverse sweep. Pressure put on the bowler off the very first ball.
अभी सूर्य कुमार यादव,
This is very innovative. Is Tilak.
तिलक वर्मा
Oh, nicely punched. It's in the gap, racing away.
बैटिंग के लिए आए हैं।
Yes, pull back inside the
सूर्य
boundary.
कुमार यादव का जलवा दिखेगा भाई,
Oh, that's a
क्या
fine shot.
जलवा है।
Good stride forward.
कैप्टन ऑफ इंडियन
Mid-off was up.
सूर्य कुमार यादव,
And easy pickings here
जलवा
for Tilak
जलवा
Verma.
जलवा।
Second boundary of the over. Already 10 of it. This is the reason. Nicely played.
ये देखिए भाई,
Knew exactly what he was doing, just using the pace. Moment he saw that length was a little shorter.
हमारा है।
It's also moving across towards the offside. So that Mukim, and he's been greeted.
चौका छक्का,
He's been
चौका
greeted
छक्का
in
से बात हो रही है
style.
भाई।
That has gone into the second tier.
ये हो रहा है
That has
तिलक
gone a
वर्मा।
mile.
Cut away. Too easy. Lovely
पसंद
shot.
आए तो
Back
please like करें,
cut.
share
Waited
करें।
on it and got it to the fence.
Yeah, not much wrong with that delivery, but the class of Surya Kumar Yadav was on the front foot, waited for the ball to go past him.
And then into the offside in front of square this time.
भारत
Feel the
पाकिस्तान
pressure.
का तो मैच ही
gone.
मजेदार होता है, इसमें तो कुछ करने के लिए
It's
नहीं है।
amazing how this guy picks up wickets. Now that delivery is an off spinner. Just about carrying to the fielder, went for the catch, rightly so, but in the process, India will get 4 runs.
लेकिन भारत पाकिस्तान का मैच है, इस मैच में भीड़ नहीं है
That's the cut.
ज़्यादा,
And he's used the pace of the bowler. This is a terrific shot and just the mastery of Surya Kumar Yadav.
विकेट नहीं बचती थी,
Finding gaps, knowing where the fielders are.
नहीं बिछी हैं
The
पूरी।
number one bowler. There's the sweep shot. It's played with tremendous power and it's gone all the way. Surya Kumar Yadav at his best.
Got so much control behind the square with the sweep shot. If the field
There he goes, the big
good
man
effort by
with the big.
they did.
Well, he's gone for it. It's a big one.